All right, one quick tip, how to get your algo bars set up on your charts. Let's go. All right, let's get right into it here tonight. This is a very quick tip for anybody who is getting their chart set up maybe for the first time, or again, this is whether you are a veteran trader or absolutely brand new. Right here in the middle of your charts, there is the algo bar. There are the algo bars. These are customized bars. These are not going to come out of the box with Ninja Trader. This is going to be after you install AlgoBox. If you would like to have those in a drop down, right here, you'll notice that you don't have an option for that. I've actually removed a whole lot in this list here, but I'm going to show you guys how to add the algo bars to that list. Normally, you have to go over here, right click, go to data series. Then under data series, you can go in here and select a drop down and go all the way to the bottom of the list. Algo bar is kind of hidden way down there on the list because it is a customized bar that we created ourselves that you guys have installed on your computers. If you would like it on this little drop down menu, I'm going to show you how to customize this. So go right here, click on the select button, hit the drop down, and then select configure right there. Okay. Once we click on the configure, where we go. Click on configure. You're going to be presented with this dialog here. You'll see those intervals on the left. First thing I would recommend is remove all the ones that you're not really going to use. Now I've left a few that I'm still probably not going to use tick very much. I've left a few on here just for an example, but I literally could probably clear out almost all of these. Maybe range on here, but even that I like to just type in the numbers myself. Guys, I've showed you guys how to do that on other videos, but I'm going to go ahead and right now I'm going to, after I remove, so I can just click on like, let's just remove tick. Okay, I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to go click, boom, there it goes. Okay, now let's say I want to add algo bars to this list. Very simple. Click right here, click on add. There it is. I can hit the drop down, select algo bars. Boom. Now, by default, I've already got the ones over here. Now we want to add a few more. You really want to add pretty much all of these in order from top to bottom. They're gonna feel like my sons would love this little thing here because they could just count by ones. Mikey's liking to count by like hundreds and thousands now. He's getting really good at that kind of stuff, but no rocket science here. But I'm going to add 6, 7. Bet you can't guess what's next. 8, and go to 9, etc. And as high as we go, it depends. It really depends on you. We'll talk about that in our scaling up type of thing. I'm just put 10 right here for myself. Most of the time, it's going to cover all of your main ones. So here I've got NQ up on the 9s. Here I'm on the 6s. Down here, I'm on the 3s for the NASDAQ. You can adjust these if you're on ES or RTY or YM based on what the markets and their current conditions are going to do. What's it going to look like once I've clicked OK? Now I can just hit here and go and change this to the 4s. Boom, done. If I want to change it back to the 3s, boom, done. There you go. Nice little tip right there. Make sure you guys set that up for yourselves. That will save you a lot of time as you're going through. And that's our tip for tonight. Hope you liked it. See ya.